right, man. The wheels on the V are going to a new owner. I'm gonna go with a different setup. This guy right here, he has a 13 CTSV. He's gonna buy them from me. Man, you guys know these things will be doing me good. Look at that, they're already sticking with all this dirt on them and everything, but I'm rubbing way too much right here on the sides now, so time to get rid of them. Man, he said, I appreciate you. Time for a new setup on the V. This is back with the stock tires. You see what I'm talking about?
I'm tired. I don't want to go. No,
Relax, girl. Oh, that's funny. Relax. Oh, well, if you cry, it's better for the video. You ready? That girl said it felt like my body left my body. How your body leave your body? You mean your soul left your body? Which one? She can't even talk. She can't even talk.
You see, it's instant.
Yeah.
Yes, it's faster. Okay, I got it. I know now. I don't think I need it up here.
You don't need a what? Oh man. You gotta think about this. This make more power than
Yeah,
that.
it spun so much that it put my traction control back on.
I'm glad you could drive there. Thank you, Jesus.
Alright, so we just took them for a ride. Drag pack is sold, so we're gonna go ahead and go look at Summit, see if we can find something else. Boy, Adrian joined. Got back with the scat pack. He trying to work at Summit. He trying to work at Summit. About to get some discounted parts. Nah, but we're gonna head up to Summit, try to see if I can find a new setup. Probably with either smaller tire or just a different set of wheels or something like that. So we're gonna look and see what we can see. I'll catch you when we get there. Yeah, cause this was my old setup right here. Yeah, I kind of want to get the Ford Star style wheels. Some Ford Stars. These would be nice. What? How you hating on the bead lights, man? How you hating on the bead lights? Get these for your car. It got the scat pass, a B, ain't it? Right? Yeah, I think everything over here is basically drag pack stuff. I feel like the only wheel setup would be these. If I was to get the set of these. Let's see what we can get to those up there. What? Yeah, I do like those concave ones up there. Those bravados. Those ain't bad. These up here. Pretty nice. Might check those out. So I just left Summit Racing and I saw some Ford Star racing wheels, some Bravado wheels, and I think that was it. But they were mainly drag setups, which right now I kind of want a full set of wheels, so that's what I'm going for. But we're here at Saul Lopez Elite Ride in Fort Worth, and there's a badass RX-7 FD right here. I'm gonna show you guys when I get out. If you guys don't remember, I did have an LS swapped RX-7 FD. But this thing is really nice. I'm gonna show you guys, and I think it is gonna be for sale. So let me look at this and check it out. Yeah, this thing is freaking clean. It's got some NK RPF 1 on it, all red paint job. It's got those mounted headlights instead of the new pop-ups. Me personally, I would prefer the pop-ups. It's already got the new bumper with the new fogs in it, the new style JDM fogs. It's got that Fast and the Furious wing on it. You know what I'm saying? Affinia edition. Oh, it does have the JDM tail lights on it already and everything. It's already got a nice body kit, right hand drive too, with the touch screen. What is showing out? All black interior. This thing's nice, man. So when y'all buy it, I'll check that thing out. But right now we're at Elite Ride. We're gonna go see if we can get a new set of wheels here. Let's see what we can find. We're on a wheel hunt right now, guys. Oh, we at Elite Ride. Time to look for some wheels. We finna put some JDM things on there. Put some gold boys on that thing. It'd be nice. I like this. See, what if I got like a wheel like this? See these? That'd be nice. That'd be pretty dope. I'm about to go back to my gold, boy. I go back to my black and gold. All right, guys. We're in the V. I actually headed to a tire shop that had a set of wheels that I wanted to test fit and check out for the V. I wasn't able to find anything at Summit, and when I went to Elite Ride, we weren't able to come up with anything. So I kept looking around. I actually found a set out here in Burleson. I'm headed right now to the shop to check them out, and we'll see how it goes from there. They should be pretty decent. I know the rear tires on the wheels are too small. I'm probably gonna have to change those, but as far as the wheels, I haven't seen them on any V. They look pretty decent, so I'm headed there now to check it out, and I'll catch you guys when I get there. We just arrived to the shop. I see the wheels already. The wheels look good, but I'm not sure if they're gonna fit and clear the brakes. So that's what we're gonna have to check out. That's what I'm worried about. But as far as from here, they do look good, so I'm gonna get out and we're gonna probably try to test fit them, see if they work. So these are the wheels. What y'all think? I think these look pretty clean. The only thing I'm worried about right now is the tire size. You got nothing?
Not right now, man. I only got way taller, and that's going to be probably hitting the inside of the wheel well.
All right, that was kind of garbage, but here are the new wheels, guys. The new setup. I think it looks really, really good. We do got to go with a bigger tire for the rear. These are 265s. These came on the wheels. They're brand new, but I need a wider tire for these. The center caps on the rear did not fit because of the center bolt, but they do look good. Yep. Let me know what y'all think about the setup, man. So I have yet to see any V with these wheels exactly. So it's different. It's not crazy or nothing like that. All right, so I just put the V up right now. I'm back in the truck. I've been looking for this tire size for the longest. I've been ripping and running today. I stopped at about 3 different tire shops. 285, 35, 19, which is the stock tire size, but I wanted to throw those on the wheels. But I luckily came around a shop that has a brand new set for about 270 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot over there real quick and try to pick up these tires. They're really hard to find. Discount Tire didn't even have them. They had to order them. They didn't have them in stock. A couple other tire shops that carry like aftermarket rims didn't even have them. But the wheels do look good on the V. They look really, really good, man. They've been breaking necks. I've been at stop signs and stoplights, and people are just breaking their neck to look at it because the wheels pop. They really make the car pop. But the tires, I do got to get those tires. Those tires are really small. And it's real hard to find wheels like that for a CTSV because of the brakes. It's real hard to clear those brakes. But these wheels sit perfectly. They are 9.5 inch wide, and I believe they're square all the way around. And that spec actually sits flush at all 4 corners, which is what I like. So it doesn't poke in the rear, it doesn't poke in the front. It sits pretty flush on all 4 corners, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot over to this tire shop real quick and then get these tires, and then I'll show you when I get there. All right, guys, so we got some brand new Federal 285 35 19s. Got a killer deal at Tire Depot. Some nice tires, man. Real nice, brand new. All right, we just gained a new subscriber. That guy's pretty cool. He said he likes the car. We're getting the tires switched out right now. Same day, man. I just got the wheels. Luckily, I found those tires for 270 bucks, brand new tires. Getting the wheels changed out now. We'll see how it looks and see how it sits. Hopefully we have no rubbing issues. That's my worries, but we should be good, man. All right, guys, so we got the new tires installed. We got the new Federals. Fills in the gap way better. They look so much good. I mean, so much better, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the V. It's dirty. I don't want to reveal and show everything until the car is clean, and then I'll go park at the lot and show you guys how it looks. But let me go ahead and wash this thing. We got the wheels on here. We got it all cleaned up, washed, everything. And go ahead and reveal them to you. Bam. You know what you guys think, man. I think I did good. I think we killed the game on this one. I have yet to see a V with these wheels on it, especially this color. I don't think there's one out there with this setup on it. Dude, this thing looks crazy amazing. I loved my weld setup, I did, but I've always wanted a full set of wheels, and I went ahead and pulled the plug, got rid of the wheels, and then now we got a brand new Federal 285 35 19s in the back, brand new tires, radial tire back there. These tires came on the wheels when I got them. They are brand new. And I think it looks great. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Leave a like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the support. I'm trying to keep the videos coming, I'm trying to keep the content coming, man, but you know, it's getting cold out here, it's hard to keep going, but I'm doing it. Let me know what you guys think, man.